Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Off the Board with Pineapple Papers, where all of us take all of our Pinterest boards and actually use them. So this is going to be my Pinterest board. I will link it down below. It is from Mandy Melville. She is part of the Cocoa Vanilla design team and I absolutely love this. So I decided to do my, I'm trying to finish up my summer, like some of my summer photos from last year, which is just indoors pretty much because of, or outdoors in my backyard due to the way the world was last year at this time. So this is a part of the 4th of July celebration that I had with my next door neighbor, and her daughter and my daughter had the same style of hair. We just put it in different spots. So I wanted to capture that for KJ because they have now moved over to Germany. And I am super stoked for them, but super jealous. She is German. My friend is also German, so she's actually where they got stationed at for a little bit. She's like super close to her family, so that's really nice. She actually gets to spend about 3 years in the area, and that is awesome. So here I am. I decided to take out my collection, the 4th of July collection from Close to My Heart. If it's available, and I think it is, I will link it down below, whatever is available of this collection. And I ended up getting the workshop collection, and the workshop collection had a bunch of these banners and stuff, and y'all know when I get these collections, I do not follow any sort of directions. I do whatever I feel like it. So these did come with a bunch of banners, and it actually works out fantastic that all these banners match down here, and then I just had to make up a little one right here with that little bit of a banner. So I cut everything off and I get it all to look right, and it just looks awesome. I love that side of that one side. So she had paper on one side, paper on the other side, and then her picture was in the middle. So that's what I do. I follow it, I guess kind of to the T, like revolutionarily to the T. Like, I mean, I know that my papers aren't exactly like hers, but they're pretty close. So I still have quite a bit of this collection left, and it's because of what I have done with it. I haven't really used any of the papers per se. So that's what I'm kind of diving into here. I wanted to use up some of that paper. Now, granted, I only used 2 inches, but it at least gets me to use a little bit of it. There is quite a bit to it that I absolutely love. But ultimately, everything is running or looking good. I love this. So I am, let's see here, this is going to go up Wednesday, so I am 1 day away from starting school, like back full time as a teacher. I'm honestly excited to go back. It's not, obviously we're still in the unknown land. Our Board of Education keeps calling special meetings, so I have to keep watching it. And actually, believe it or not, the night that, or the day that this goes up, I do have another board meeting to watch to make sure that they don't go too crazy on us. But ultimately, I know that they're trying their best. They're trying to save grace and all of this stuff. So that is really truly all I care about, is that they do care about their teachers and staff and their students. And it's just a crazy time. Let's just put it that way. So I am finishing up. I had professional development on a couple of days before school started, and then when this goes up, I'm actually going to be in my classroom. So go follow me on Instagram, and you'll probably see it in my stories, because that's what I kind of do. I am actually getting better at my Insta stories, so I've been posting a lot more on there daily, whether it's just like me going to the gym or like what I'm eating in the day or all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, or just to talk to me over on Instagram, all of my handles are down below. Come follow me over there. I do post a bunch of stuff. I do also post on my Facebook page too, so all of that is there. Make sure that you go check out everybody that is doing it. A lot of us have been doing an extra off the board type stuff because Crystal, this was the whole point of why she started this off the board, was to get 30 days of her sketches done, or like her off the board pins, and we've just been doing it ever since. It's crazy. I love doing this. And just go and check out everybody. I decided not to post on Monday because I had one on Sunday, and then ultimately this is why I wanted to post this one on a Wednesday, because it's our actual normal Wednesday for, you know, off the board. So I figured that would work out that way. And let's see here. I did do some distress oxides. The distress oxide that I did with the little stencil that came in this kit is Blueprint Sketch. I love this color. It works perfect for this, as you can tell. I am scrapbooking with a friend of mine, Ms. Fran, so you'll see me lift up every once in a while because I kind of wanted to show her. I do this frame on the side. Now, she puts her little side bit down at the bottom, and I wanted it directly across the photo. I am going to call this title Home Sweet Home. So I am finishing up that. I don't have much left of this collection, y'all, which is good because that's what I like to do. I like to use up my collections and then move on. So I've been killing quite a bit of my Close to My Heart kits. So I hope that you guys are enjoying the Close to My Hearts. I've been getting really, really good, really like fantastic about doing up my layouts with a lot of my Close to My Heart products, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the products. And if that's why you come here, I'm so grateful to have you. If you are new, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, design teams, fun stuff. I just love scrapbooking. So if you are for that, and then always come for a daily chit chat or a weekly chit chat, depending on how much you watch me, I definitely do a lot of that. So make sure that you come over, like and subscribe. I would love to have you. I can't believe it. I'm almost at 2,800 subscribers. Excuse me. And I'm so close to getting to 3,000. Like, I'm not that far off. Like, I'm under 300 subscribers. So if you are new and you would love to be able to get in on the new giveaways, because y'all, I give away good giveaways, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So I'm rounding out with these stars. I do come in with my favorite splatters from Shimmer's Paints. And so really the Distress Oxides is part of the collection because they do sell this one in the shop or in the catalog. The only thing out of this is my shimmers, because y'all know I need this. The sales slots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I would love to have you. Y'all stay safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.